How to change the lower castor roller wheels on a Miele dishwasher. You're going to want to do this, obviously, if one of them breaks off, like sometimes if you drop the tray or something like that. But even just over time of having heavy stuff, you can end up with wear and tear. These little wheels need to be replaced. The good thing is they are incredibly easy to replace and also not very expensive. I have a pair of pliers. You don't even need the pliers, really. You can just pop these off. I'll show you how to do it in a second. I just like it because there's like kind of a nice flat, hard metal surface. But anyways, I'll put a link to where you can get them. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just where you can get them. So anyways, all we're going to do here is any of these wheels, we're just going to come in. I don't know if you can see, they just kind of, if you can see it, they just kind of pop on there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to come underneath and just push it and pop it off. So you can't, that one just popped off, and you'll see they're all on a little roller here. I guess this is the roller for it. So, and you'll see there's a little hole there. So this pops on, and then this goes in the hole. So when then you get your new wheel, just make sure that this thing goes in this little hole here. It's kind of pretty much idiot proof. And then you just push it down until it pops on. Like that. There's 8 of them. So if you get a set of 8, you can replace them all. That's usually only a few bucks for the entire set of 8.